Life in Celebration offers beautiful homes, tree-lined streets, and a welcoming community atmosphere. But like any growing neighborhood, outside noise can sometimes disrupt the comfort of your home. Whether it's traffic, lawn equipment, or general neighborhood activity, unwanted sounds can affect relaxation and even sleep. The good news is that noise-reducing windows are designed to create a quieter, more peaceful living space. Here's a guide for Celebration homeowners on the best window options to cut down on noise while boosting comfort. Why noise reduction matters. Windows are one of the primary entry points for outside noise. Even when closed, outdated or poorly insulated windows allow sound waves to pass through the glass and frame. For Celebration families, this can mean difficulty concentrating while working from home, restless nights due to outside noise, a less relaxing environment for family time. Upgrading to modern, noise-reducing windows helps create a calm indoor retreat while also delivering added benefits like energy efficiency and improved security. Double and triple pane glass. One of the most effective ways to reduce noise is through multiple panes of glass. Double pane windows consist of 2 layers of glass with insulating gas in between. This design not only blocks sound but also improves energy efficiency. Triple pane windows go a step further, adding an extra layer of glass and insulation for maximum noise reduction. For Celebration neighborhoods near busy roads or community centers, triple pane windows can make a noticeable difference in everyday comfort. Laminated glass. Laminated glass is made by bonding a special plastic layer between 2 sheets of glass. This layer helps absorb sound vibrations, making laminated glass an excellent choice for noise reduction. Key benefit: laminated glass doesn't just quiet your home, it also increases safety because it's much harder to shatter. Ideal use: perfect for front-facing rooms or bedrooms where peace and quiet are most important. Thicker glass options. Glass thickness also plays a role in blocking sound. Thicker glass dampens vibrations better than thinner glass, reducing the transmission of noise. Many Celebration homeowners combine thicker panes with double or triple pane designs for even greater results. Proper window frames and seals. It's not just the glass that matters, the frame and seals are equally important. Older frames with gaps or worn-out weather stripping allow noise to sneak in. Vinyl and fiberglass frames are popular in Celebration because they're durable and provide a tight seal against air and sound leaks. Professional installation ensures that windows are properly fitted to block both drafts and noise. Additional benefits of noise-reducing windows. Upgrading to noise-reducing windows isn't just about peace and quiet. Celebration families also enjoy energy efficiency. Insulated designs lower utility bills by keeping cool air inside during Florida's hot summers. UV protection. Advanced coatings reduce sun damage to furniture and flooring. Enhanced security. Multi-pane and laminated glass provide added strength against break-ins. Increased home value. Modern, noise-reducing windows are a selling point for buyers who value comfort and efficiency. Choosing the right option for your Celebration home. Every neighborhood in Celebration has its own noise challenges. If you live near a busier street, laminated or triple pane windows may be worth the investment. For quieter areas where you just want a little extra peace, double pane windows with quality frames may be sufficient. A professional window consultation can help you identify the best fit for your needs and budget. Final thoughts: noise-reducing windows are an excellent investment for Celebration homeowners who want to enjoy peace, quiet, and comfort. With options like double pane, triple pane, laminated glass, and high-quality frames, you can customize your windows to block out noise while improving energy efficiency and home security. By upgrading your windows, you'll not only create a more relaxing living environment but also increase the value and appeal of your Celebration home.